Okay, so today I'm going to show you my new pen press here by Milescraft. And I had this old one that I bought when I first started doing turning and pens, and it works fine. You have to twist this and adjust this for each pen that you put in there, for each piece that you put in there, you know, and then tighten it up. Otherwise, you push it on through, and it's kind of inefficient. And the difficult part is to get the pin in there and hold everything together while you're trying to squeeze it together and lock it in. You don't have a free hand for that because you're busy holding it together. The other thing I don't like about it is this handle comes off. Now it has a hole there, and I guess I could drill through there and I could have bolted that on, but it surprises me that this just doesn't come with bolts. So this handle always flies off in different spots throughout the shop. But I mean, it worked okay. You know, it does the job well. Got a number of my pins together, but I felt I wanted to get this one here after seeing one of the friends of mine at the club using that to put pens together. And the nice thing about this one is that the handle is attached securely. These things all flip out of the way, and this moves and has pressure, so it can help hold the pen together for you. And then you just lock these in, depending on how far back this goes, to stop it from going any further as you push and put pressure and seal the pen together. So let me show you how it all goes together, how it all works. So I laid out my pen here, and I want to line up stuff here, make sure that everything lines up well. So that's going to end up going like that. All right, so the first thing is to put this piece together. So, and the spring has quite a bit of tension too. I mean, it's not like it's, oh look, just right. So, and then I can press this on. And make sure that I'm getting an even press, which I'm not right there. And that's still a little bit loose there, so I'm going to try. In fact, I'm going to flip this around this way. Although it seems backwards. I want to go tighter. That's what I'm talking about. Nice and solid now. There you go. And then this part gets pressed into there also. So I will do that as my dogs bark for me. I'm assuming, yeah, that needs to lock in there. So it's closed. I want to match up with that. Right about there. So this part just slides on like that. So that way that works. And then now, hopefully I've got enough room. This will go on to this piece. This locks into there. And now I want to figure out where I want to put this. Right there. So let's see if I can. Oh, the flaw. So what I want to do is I want to pull this off first. So before I put this onto that, I want to get this onto this part. I like that, so I'm going to show that off. And now, sure I line up correctly. There. That. And there we have it. A music pen, Fern. Really a nice looking pen. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe. That really helps out the channel. And hopefully we'll see you back on the next one.